Did you hear the news of Bitcoin reaching a staggering high of 73,000? So now that the pricing is up, crypto scams are going to be in the limelight once again, both as investments and all other related stuff in the cryptocurrency space. And fraudsters will be back into defrauding millions of investors with their clever tactics. Once they scam a few investors, they reappear again with different names to scam more people. So it is very crucial for you to stay informed and protect yourself from such kind of scams. So let's dive right in. Let me share a real life example with you to understand the magnitude of this whole scam. So a while ago in Himachal Pradesh, Indian authorities uncovered a massive cryptocurrency scam where scammers lured around 1 lakh victims into investing into certain cryptocurrency called the KRO coins. So various fraudulent schemes, these scammers managed to grab around $300 million from innocent investors. These kind of incidents really highlight the need of understanding the various kind of tactics these scammers deploy to lure the victims. Let us discuss some common type of cryptocurrency scams that you should look out for this year or even beyond. Pump and dump schemes is where scammers artificially inflate the prices of the cryptocurrency to attract investors and then sell off their holdings, causing the asset to crash massively. So you can imagine a scammer posing as a famous celebrity on the social media and claiming to have invested in a particular cryptocurrency and urging people to invest in the same. Now this can be a trap to manipulate prices and cheat investors. Another tactic that you should be aware about the scammers is that they are creating websites that mimic the legitimate cryptocurrency trading platforms or the wallets. Now, these fake websites trick users into believing that they are investing in certain legitimate projects. However, in reality, they are being scammed. So some scammers may even trick existing investors to share their private key information. So if you have to understand this with an example, sometimes scammers may create certain cryptocurrency fake exchange websites with a slight difference in the domain name, which looks really similar to the legitimate ones. Then they attract investors with the promise of high returns. And once the funds are invested, they disappear, leaving the investors empty-handed. So similar to fake websites, scammers may also develop fake cryptocurrency applications that are available to download. Phishing scams is another tactic which you should be aware of while investing in the cryptocurrency. Now here scammers use the phishing links to fake websites and then lead the investors into putting their sensitive information on these fake links. Most of the times in the phishing scams, it has been seen that victims are being approached by certain women on a social media platform and they offer them to invest in certain cryptocurrencies where they can get a return of around 50 to 60% of profit on such investments. And they offer to start with a smaller amount like 5,000 rupees. Then they make the victim create an account on such fake phishing website and then ask the victim to recharge the account with a very small amount but using their UPI. So once the victim places their UPI details into that fake phishing link, all the details of the UPI of the victim goes in the hands of the scammer and their account is being accessed by them, taking all the money. Using artificial intelligence to exploit the cryptocurrency market is going to be the most prevalent in the coming times. In fact, scammers have already started using AI chatbot to chat with innocent investors, promoting their fraudulent investment schemes and offering guidances. Then these chatbots eventually lead the investors into the same pump and dump schemes where they artificially inflate the token values before implementing the much required sell-offs. So now after knowing these different tactics, you would be really thinking that it is very difficult to dodge these scammers. But yes, there are certain ways by which you can avoid such scams. Let's discuss those. Before starting to even think about investing in any particular kind of cryptocurrency, it is very important to do your bit of investment about it. Research extensively about the project, know the team behind it and the track record, and if possible, know the reviews from the existing investors. Don't just blindly invest into it only on the promise of some high returns. Only download cryptocurrency applications and trading platforms from official and reputable sources. Be cautious of the fake apps and websites that mimic the legitimate ones and always look out for the HTTPS URL as opposed to only HTTP URL. Because for cryptocurrency exchange and wallet, this indicates the site has secured and encrypted traffic. Scammers often promise guaranteed returns and unrealistic gains like 50, 60 or even 100% guaranteed returns. Remember, there is no investment that comes with a guarantee, and if it is sounding too good to be true, it probably is. For existing investors, never share a crypto wallet or private key information with anyone. Remember, legitimate companies would never ask you for such sensitive information. Never ever permanently link your cryptocurrency brokerage account to your traditional bank account, because in case of phishing, all your details can be hacked by the scammers and your bank account will be there with the scammers. Least is that you can keep yourself abreast with all the latest scams and the fraud tactics that is used in the cryptocurrency space. Follow only the trusted sources and educate yourself on how to avoid and identify these kind of scams. And unfortunately, if you become a victim of any crypto scam, it is very crucial to report it. Here is what you can do. First of all, if any unusual transaction occurs, do not wait. Just put a hold on all your future transactions because prevention is better than cure. Then as an immediate step, contact the nearest police station or the cyber cell and report the scam to them and provide them with all the comprehensive details so that they can start the investigation immediately. Simultaneously, you can make use of the National Crime Reporting Portal or the Cybercrime Coordination Center and make a report online. You can also reach out to the consumer protection agencies. They can offer you guidance and support you in dealing with such scams. Remember, staying informed and being cautious is the key to protect yourself from crypto scams. And by following these tips and remaining vigilant, you can safeguard your investments. That's all for today. And I hope you found this informative and insightful. And if you have any questions or you want to share any of your experiences regarding any cryptocurrencies, do share with me in the comments below. And I will see you in another informative video next time. Till then, stay safe and stay secure.